Paru, paru. Uy, paru, paru. Paru, paru.
Paru, paru. In English accent, Jillian.
Say
That's
bugas.
butterfly.
Yeah.
That is
Tinatawa ko dyan sa
butterfly.
kanya eh. Are you tired?
Bugas.
Pag what bugas, di makakaon. Alam mo ba alam mo ba, pag doon sa bahay nagsasalita kami na Aklanon, pero wala siyang naintindihan na Aklanon. Or on English. If I talk,
Just listen to Tata. Just listen to Tata. Please, can you listen?
bye, I'm going out.
No, wait.
Okay.
I think
I just sit down properly.
Sorry.
Ay, yeah. There's the people outside. Don't sit down na. Don't sit down.
There's many people outside.
There's a guard. Like a like that.
Do you want to see a movie, a Spider-Man?
Gusto niya yan. Spider-Man idol is
Darky.
You want to Spider-Man?
Andiyan kayo sa bahay ni Mr. Tarek? wala
They're
na.
there.
Oh, kasi kakatawag lang niya eh. Sabi ko, nandiyan kayo.
You want watch Spider?
How about, do you want to go to Ocean
Hindi na lang
Park?
mamaya.
You want you like the ocean park? You want to see
Okay.
fish?
Look, a
Ah,
short.
You want to see a
Okay.
shark?
Sige, sige.
No.
Oh, okay. Where to go?
How about small fish?
No.
Where do you want to go?
In movie, in theater.
A B C D E F G. Okay, let's say. Let's sing ano, bebe. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
O B
Count 1, 2, 3. 1,
2 3 4 6
Five. Why there's no 5?
very good.
8 9 10
Hey! 11!
Again. Habibi, i-record mo.
Meron.
9 10
Yay!
Again. From 1. Can you count from 1?
9 10 8 9 10 8 9
Count from 1. Count from 1. 1.
Start from 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
Yay! Yay!
Yay!
Good job.
How about ABC?
8 9 4 3 9 4 Ready!
Hey!
Yay!
8 9 8 8 9 8 9
Siguro pag-aral siguro si Julia na kasi
Yay! Very good.
Tired now. I'm tired.
She told me she's tired.
Oh, you're tired. You want to
Oh.
sleep?
Okay, you can take a rest na.
I'm tired, si Nana.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired.
You want to take a rest? You want to sleep?
Did you wash your hands?
Dirty.
Yeah.
Ako si Hansen ay nag-wipe ng battery. Take to. Tara.
Ano pa, yun na. Yes, sir. Turn pa.
Okay na, you will take